So this is the before, all the way till the down shelf it has clothes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is finally happening. I'm like so scared to even start, but by the title you have already known this video is about organizing my closet. So I have been procrastinating this situation, this wardrobe issue for many days now, and finally I have come to a conclusion to do this finally. And I've been recently watching many organizational videos in YouTube. I even watched the Marie Kondo video from Netflix, like the whole series, to get more inspired, and it really did inspire me. So if you have not watched that and you're planning to do something like that, do go watch that. So yeah, this is finally happening. So most of the part will be time-lapse and I'll show you the process. So hope you all also get motivated if you're planning to organize your closet. I am a big time hoarder. I have clothes in my wardrobe which are from my school days, yeah, from my like 11th 12th standard. I still have those clothes in my wardrobe. It fits me, but I really don't wear them. So this is like a very big issue. I want to declutter the whole wardrobe. Some I want to donate and some I want to keep, which I can pass on to my sister or whoever needs the clothes if they like it. So that's about it for the introduction. I know it's been pretty long. Now I will show you what all I have purchased for this process, and then we will go ahead with the declutter system thing. So if you like this kind of videos and want to see more such videos from me here on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that red button, and also hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So this is my current closet. These are the two closets which I have and which is completely full. I will show you what is inside the huge mess. So we will be dealing with this one right here today. This mainly has my western outfits like tops, t-shirts, jeans and many more useless things. And that one has my kurtis, my leggings, dupattas, and down it has bed sheets, home clothes, bags, all these things. So yeah, dealing this is a big problematic, and I'm so panicked to even start this process. So for this process, for organizational thing, let me show you what I have purchased. So I have got baskets here and hangers here. So these baskets I got from Grofers, and some are from Big Basket and some are from local market. And the hangers are the velvet hangers which I got from Amazon. This is I think a pack of 30. So and inside I have some more hangers, so I will deal with that. Now let's open it and see. So here we are. Let me just open this and show you. Oh, I don't know what. So let's do it. Can you see the mess? So this is the before, all the way till the down shelf it has clothes, and half of the clothes, not half, I would say many clothes are there inside this pile which I have not even worn till now. This is the same condition in the other side as well. All are full of clothes, and this is just the western side, western type of clothes. So according to the KONMARI method, or the method which is proposed by Marie Kondo, so she proposed that to take out everything and pile it on the bed so that I can get to see each and every piece and keep what I need, and like make a separate pile for throwing away or decluttering the pile. So I will do this right now. and you will see a time lapse of this process. Okay guys, so we have cleared out just the first shelf and see the pile. Just see the pile. Like, I'm even scared to even start folding now. Now we will quickly go ahead and do the other two piles. I don't know how it will fit in the bed even. Okay guys, this is the aftermath. I have completely emptied out everything. Here are some kachra. Here is the main pile. All my clothes. Just see this pile till this part. This is all the new clothes which I have not yet worn. So you can expect many hauls coming. Jokes apart, these are the products which I have already decided to like donate or to give away, like give it to my family and friends. And here are some files and all, and this Mr. I don't know what is she doing. Sorry, not Mr. even Miss. So without any further delay, let's get started with the cleanup process, because I have to do a lot. As you can see, the pile is like a mountain. I don't know, I feel so ashamed that I have hoarded so many things, but what to do? I love clothes, I love shopping, I love dressing up. So yeah, let's clear this pile out so that I can accumulate new piles. So I'm going to share a small tip which I just found, how you can store your dresses if you have not enough space to hang them vertically. So you just take the dress in the hanger and then fold the bottom and then tuck it inside, so the length becomes very small, and when you hang it, you'll have the bottom space as well. So this is the hack which I just found, and yeah, I think it's very good trick to store your dresses. There might be already people who are already doing that. I didn't know. I just thought to share this tip with you. I hope that is helpful. So the current update is I cleaned out my bed and everything I have arranged in the wardrobe, and down I have segregated the clothes which I want to donate and which I want to give it to my friends and family. So that is done. Now I'll be going ahead and folding those clothes and packing them, keeping them aside, clean out my bed, clean out the room. Then I'll come and show you the final result. So wait for it. That is it for now. Update. This body has been helping me out by making more mess. She tore a complete soft toy, and everywhere there is synthetic cotton. I have to clean that as well. So yeah, I'll see you super soon. Oh my god guys, finally it's done. I have completed every single thing. Cleaning out the room, everything is done. You can see the bed is so clean now. I can not wait to fall asleep there. So it's time for the big reveal. Before that, I'll show you how many bags of clothes I have separated. So you can see here 3 bags full of clothes are going for donation. 3 huge bags of clothes, and 1 more bag I already separated, which I'm going to give it to my sister and my cousins. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's open this thing for which we are waiting for so long and see. Are you ready guys? This is the after. It looks so much better. And so that's about it for today's video guys. I hope you have enjoyed and got inspired from my decluttering a whole lot of mess. So yeah, if you want to see more such videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and all the things which I mentioned before. Please do that. Please support my channel. I am trying to bring out more content which I personally love seeing. So you guys also let me know if you enjoy this kind of videos, or any suggestions you want to give me. So that's about it. Don't forget to spread happiness and be loved. I love you all so much. Bye bye.